Atomic Dog here, and this time we're installing a tailgate assist made by DeeZee, model DeeZee 43301 tailgate assist on the 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. What we need to do is install the blind nut tool. For that you need a 10mm socket wrench and you need number 5 metric hex bit. All you have to do is insert it in here. Next, use the supplied Allen wrench. This torque wrench provided is pretty cheap, and it actually doesn't fit so well inside, so I actually needed to tap mine on, and then I should have used my tools instead of this thing. Probably be a good idea. Okay, got it to the point where it's hand loose. Take off the bolt. Take this plate. I'm going to throw some thread locker on it because it can't hurt. And it was thread locked from the factory anyway. So, snug this up. Just put that back on. I'm going to come over to here. The other end of the support cable. Okay, now this limiter needs to be removed. And for that, you're going to need a little screwdriver to get this little retaining plate off. So, okay, so next step, like I had mentioned, this nut, I already pried it up with a little screwdriver. All you have to do is grab onto it with a pair of needle nose pliers. Okay, not going to be using this again. Thread locker on that. Not gonna hurt. It's blue thread lock anyway. Might as well be using Play-Doh. Okay. Okay, we measured about 3.5 inches down. We're putting the cable into the clip. Just putting the piston on. Just hold it in place. There's one. And there. Works like a charm. That's the DeeZee tailgate assist. What can I say? It works. No complaints.